Hi, I'm Ryan. Welcome to BWX Headquarters, Australia's leading natural skin and hair care distributor. I'm going to take you on a tour of our operations plant, but first there are a few basic safety tips to remember. Please make sure you're wearing steel-capped, closed-toed shoes, a high-visibility vest, wearing a company-provided hairnet, and when on foot, please stick to the yellow walkways provided and be mindful of all forklifting activities, particularly in the warehouse. Here in the dispensary, operators carefully weigh raw materials which are eventually going to become the finished product, such as a shampoo, body lotion or facial scrub. Here in the compounding room, the compounders blend the materials to make the finished product, which is then taken to the lab for a thorough quality check. In the lab, such variables as viscosity, pH and specific gravity are measured to ensure quality is of the highest standard. Once the bulk has passed inspection, it is ready to be filled in production. It goes through a filling machine into bottles which are labelled, capped and boxed. Pallets of finished product are then wrapped and transported to the warehouse. From the warehouse, orders are picked, packed and shipped locally and internationally. Thank you for joining me on this tour. See you next time.